Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will introduce top 10 NITs of India. Along with this, I will discuss the NRF rank of every college, campus size, the established year, and the total branch that every college provide, and the fee structure, that is yearly, how much fee you have to pay, and the cutoff for home state and other state, and the average package, and last the highest package of every college. So before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel information and educational videos, and if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section, and for more videos check the description box. So let's start with the number 10 NIT, that is NIT Silchar. The NIF rank of this NIT is 94 and the campus size is very big, that is 625 acres. It was established in 1967 and the number of branch it provides is 6, and for every year you have to pay 1.4 lakh as fee, and the average package is 7 lakh and the highest package goes to 32 lakh per year, and the cutoff for this college for home state quota is 73,000, that is for across branches, and for other state the cutoff goes to 28,000 across branches. Next, NIT Durgapur. It has an NRF rank of 96. It was established in 1960 and the campus size is 187 acres, and the total branch that provide this college is 8, and the fee for this college 1.4 lakh per year, average package 9 lakh per year, highest package 32 lakh per year, home state cutoff goes to 40,000 across branches, and the other state cutoff goes to 30,000 across branches. Before moving to next slide, I request you to check the I button to get more such videos related to the college. Next is number 8 NIT, that is MNIT Allahabad. It has a campus size of 222 acre, total branch the college provide is 9, and the fee is 1 lakh per year, average package is 7.5 lakh per year, and the highest package goes to 36 lakh per year, home state cutoff goes to 27 lakh, and the other state cutoff goes to 24 lakh across branches. It has an NRF rank of 93 and was established in 1961. So let's move to the number 7th NIT, that is NIT Kurukshetra. It has an NRF rank of 40. It was established in 2008. Campus size is very big, that is 300 acres, and the total branch it provides is 7. Fee is 1.5 lakh per year. Average package is 8.5 lakh per year. Highest package goes to 36 lakh, and home state cutoff goes to 32,000 across branches, and other state cutoff goes to 27,000 across branches. So let's move to the next, that is number 6 DNIT Nagpur. It has an NRF rank of 27 and was established in 2007, and the campus size is 192 acres. The total branch that is possible in this college is 8, and the fee is 1.4 lakh per year. The average package goes to 8 lakh per year. The highest package goes to 40 lakh per year, and the home state cutoff is 28,000. For other state cutoff goes to 26,000 across branches. So that's it about DNIT Nagpur. Let's move to the next, that is number 5 NIT Calicut. It has an NRF rank of 76. It was established in 1961 and has a campus of 300 acres. There are total 10 branch available in this college, and the fee for this college is 1.4 lakh per year, and the average package goes to 9 lakh per year. Highest package is 49 lakh, and the home state cutoff is 25,000 across branches, and the other state cutoff is only 11,000 across branches. Next, let's move to the fourth NIT, that is NIT Warangal. It has an NRF rank of 46. It was established in 1959 and the campus size is 248 acres. The total branch available in this college is 8. The fee for this college is 1.3 lakh per year. The average package goes to 8 lakh per year and the highest package is 45 lakh per year. Home state cutoff goes to 27k across branches and other state cutoff goes to 22,000 across branches. Let's move to the next, that is number 3 NIT Surathkal. It has an NRF rank of 33. It was established in 2002 and has a campus size of 300 acres, and the total branch available in this college is 9, and you have to pay every year 1.5 lakh, and the average package goes to 9 to 10 lakh per year. Highest package is 39 lakh, and the home state cutoff goes to 40,000 across branches and other state cutoff goes to 30,000 across branches. Let's move to the next, that is number 2 NIT, that is NIT Rourkela. It has an NRF rank of 32 and was established in 2007 and has a campus size of 647 acres, that is very big, and the total branch available is 14 and average package is 8 lakh per year. The fee is 1.6 lakh per year and the highest package goes to 47 lakh per year, and home state cutoff is 55,000 across branches and other state cutoff is 35,000 across branches. And now move to the number 1 NIT, that is none other than NIT Trichy. It has an NRF rank of 24. It was established in 1964 and has a campus size of 800 acres, and the total branch available in this college is 9. Fee is 1.8 lakh per year. Average package is 10 lakh per year. Highest package goes to 55 lakh per year. Home state cutoff goes to 35,000 across branches, but for other state the cutoff is only 20,000 across branches. That's it about the top 10 NITs in India. Hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe and share. Thanks.